Hello everyone, welcome to Priya's Diet. Hypothyroid. Hypothyroid is a condition where your thyroid organ are less in activity. Thyroid organ is a butterfly shaped organ which is situated in front of your throat. You can see in this picture it is right below your Adam's apple. Our thyroid organ secretes two hormones called T3 and T4. When the thyroid activity is less, that is, when your T3 and T4 levels are low and your TSH level is high, you end up in a condition called hypothyroid. Hypothyroid. Hypo means low. Low activity of thyroid organ. That is called hypothyroid. Okay, let us see about the causes. First cause is iodine deficiency. If you're not taking enough amount of iodine in your diet, you might end up in hypothyroid condition. 2. Hashimoto's. Hashimoto's is an autoimmune disorder where your immune cells destroy the activity of your thyroid organ, thereby resulting in low thyroid levels, that is hypothyroid condition. Okay, what are all the symptoms? Weight gain. This is one of the common symptoms in hypothyroid. It is because the fat burning capacity, that is the metabolism, is very low in hypothyroid condition. So you end up in putting up weight. Hair fall or hair thinning, infertility, irregular menstruation, gastric issues or constipation, and you will have joint pains, dry skin, and at times cold intolerance. Medical treatment. You will be prescribed with thyroid hormone replacement tablets, and they are safe to use and you can use it for a lifelong. Coming up to dietary pattern. There are certain foods which you should include, that is iodine rich foods like seafoods and normal iodized salt which we usually use at kitchen, and eggs, berries like strawberries, carrots and bananas. It is also important you take up high protein and B complex vitamins because these two will suppress your symptoms like hair fall or gastric issues. You can go for protein rich foods like eggs, pulses or dals or even bean varieties, and for B complex you can go for green leafy vegetables and eggs. You should include a lot of calcium and vitamin D rich foods because in hypothyroidic condition the calcium absorption is very less. So you might find it difficult when you stand for a longer time or when you walk, or you can feel any or minor joint pains. So it is always better you have lots of calcium rich foods which are mostly present in your milk products, that is dairy products, nuts, almonds, walnuts and even green leafy vegetables. It is also important that you should take turmeric every day. There is a substance called curcumin in turmeric which is usually helps in activating your thyroid hormone. So in hypothyroid condition we have a low thyroidic level, so it is better if you take turmeric on a daily basis. Maybe you can just have a turmeric water or turmeric milk by adding turmeric into your warm milk. Okay, foods to avoid. You should avoid taking processed or packaging foods because they have lots of sodium content which will interfere with your iodine absorption. It is always best to restrict or eliminate cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are broccoli, cauliflower, radish, cabbage, turnips. You can also restrict your intake of soya based products. So friends, do take in your mind like what all you have to eat and avoid, and have your medication to maintain your hormone levels and your weight gain. Thank you.